Hello friends, are you ready to make your own love bug? All you need is a egg carton of any kind. I have a cardboard feeling one, but you can also use the styrofoam ones. Whatever kind you have is great. And some pipe cleaners, maybe some pom-poms, some crayons or markers. You can use stickers, glitter, gems, anything that you would like to stick on here is great and wonderful. Use your imagination. So I'm just going to move the pipe cleaners out of the way here for 1 second. What you want to do is cut straight across the pipe cleaner here, or the egg carton. And sometimes that's a little bit difficult. I'm going to try it with my safety scissors here. And if you just go down the middle, whoop, that got stuck. Then I've created some holes there. And then just snip. It's a little bit easier than trying to cut each individual section. And then just cut off this end piece. Now it's up to you how big you would like your love bug to be. Some people like them to be really, really, really big, this whole length. Some of them like to be really small. So I'm just going to do 3 bumps for mine. You can leave yours as large as you want. Or you can make it as small as you want. Maybe you just want to have 1 bump for yours. All sizes are great sizes. So what we're going to start with is coloring it. So you can take your crayons or your markers and just color it any color you like, or you can just leave it blank. You don't have to color it if you don't want to. Whatever your imagination feels like is great. You can use crayons and markers. You can use paint. Whatever your favorite coloring medium is what's good. Okay, so now that you've got your love bug colored, next you want to poke holes. And that's a little tricky. So you might want to get your adult to come and poke your holes. They might use one side of a scissor. I'm going to use the tip of my pen, just because it's a little bit more safer. So I'm going to start at the front. So you need to choose which side is going to be the face of your love bug. So this is going to be the face of my love bug. So I'm going to poke a hole here. See how it made a hole there? And here. And then I need to make holes for legs. So I'm going to poke one there. Oh, I need it a little bit bigger than that. Turn it around and do this side. And then you need to pick which color pipe cleaners you would like to use for legs and antenna. So I picked pink and purple because it's Valentine's Day, so I'm doing a love bug for Valentine's Day. But if you want to use green or blue or orange or yellow or red, whatever colors you like. So I'm going to make purple antenna. So I'm going to stick it through this hole here. And then I'm going to go through the bottom and pull it out. And then I'm going to take this piece and put it back through this hole here. And just pull. Then I'm just going to twist it a little bit like this, so that it looks kind of cute. So there's some curly antenna. And then I'm going to take some pink to make my legs. And I'm going to start on this side and poke that in the hole. And then I want it to come through on this side. Can you see there's another hole there? And so I just want to push the pipe cleaner through that hole. And you can make the legs as long as you want. If you want to cut them in half and just have little legs, you can have little legs. I'm going to bend mine up like this and then bend it down. And then at the bottom, I'm just going to give it a little foot like that. So we'll bend this up and then a little foot. And then I'm going to do another one through this hole and stick it through there. And this one through this side. And then through that hole. Whoop, maybe. There we go. Bend the legs up and bend it, and then give it some little feet. Bend them up. And then some little feet. And the last thing we need is some googly eyes. Well, I shouldn't say the last thing. You can put your gems on, glitter, anything that you would like. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the back of the eye. So I got glue on both sides. And I just stuck them on the front there. Now I have some pom-poms. And I have one purple pom-pom, so I'm going to give him a purple nose. Just like that. And I've got a big pom-pom for each top. And you can do whatever you would like for yours. It's great when they all look different. So there's my love bug. If you do this craft and make your own love bug, I would love it if you sent it to me or tagged me in it at Today for Kids. If you want to send it to me, you can send it to our email at todayforkids@gmail.com. I would love to see your love bugs. I hope you had fun making your craft today, friends. Bye-bye. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.